Resting amidst mature trees and landscaping, this 2,368 square feet 4-bed 2.5 bath home delivers peace and serenity with large living spaces, high-end features and great natural light. Main floor features open concept floor plan with cozy gas fireplace and kitchen complete with full height backsplash open to dining/living. Gorgeous trim and wood package with wood slat blinds on windows. Master offers dual French doors, ensuite bath and walk-in closet. Conveniently located on the west side of Olympia.